Hello guys, in this video we will see how to add or remove a column from MySQL table. First connect to MySQL server, then schemas, then go to the particular database by running this command, that is use then database, then run it. See, it is success. Remove it. Now let's verify the student table. Select star from student. See, I have two columns, one student number and student name. Let me add some data. See, I have inserted this data. Let me verify the table details. See, I have two columns with these 4 records. Okay, let me remove. Now I want to add class column to this table. We will see 2 examples. One just adding columns and another with default values. Okay, alter is the command to add or drop a column from MySQL server table. Alter table name is student, add column, here column name class int. See, this is without default values. Select it and run. This typo. Okay, student, table name is student. Okay, select it again, run. It is success. Let us verify. See, column is added with null values. Okay, now add the column with default values. So alter table student, then add column name city, data type varchar 100, default New York. See, if you don't provide value for city, it will fill with this New York. Okay, let's select this statement and execute. See, it is success. Okay, now verify again. Select star from student. See, it filled all the with New York. Okay, so until now we have seen how to add column to MySQL table with and without default values. Now we will see how to drop a column from MySQL table. So use same alter command, alter table student, then drop column class, then select the command and run. It is success. Again verify. Select star from student. See, that class column has been dropped. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to add a column with and without default values and drop a column from MySQL table. For more MySQL videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.